Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. Revit MEP. We offer a comprehensive training program to help you master Revit MEP for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing MEP, engineering and design. We offer training in Revit MEP in certificate, diploma, master diploma and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of Revit MEP, empowering you with the skills needed for precise modeling, analysis, and documentation in the building and construction industry. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses. MEP modeling and systems design in Revit. Coordinated MEP systems integration in a BIM environment. Detailing and documenting MEP designs in Revit. Collaborative workflows for teams in MEP engineering and construction. Integrating MEP designs with architectural and structural mode. Enroll in the Revit MEP course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful tool for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineering and design. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.